Now over the right SI joint, any pain there?
Yeah.
Okay. Directly over the sacrum?
Yes.
Okay. And over that left SI joint?
Not as bad for some reason.
Not as bad, okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna come down here and we're gonna check out the leg length. As you can tell, right short. What we're gonna do first, so I wanna do the massage device. I just wanna go through it and relax a lot of the muscles. And then from there we'll start with the adjustment.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna be a little bit lower, T3 here on the left. Good. A little bit higher here, T1 on the right. Perfect. Yeah, you felt that left side really opened up with that one. Okay, so we're gonna drop down just a little bit. Okay, what I'm gonna have you do, I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. And the table's gonna come up from below. Good. Uncross. And bend this knee for me. And one more. There we go. Now raise that right leg up again. How's that?
A little better, yeah.
You notice that difference? Good. So now we're going to come back down here to that leg length again. Better, but still short. So it's gotten better, but still short. So what I'm going to have you do, I want you to lay on your side and face me.
Okay.
Good. I'm going to bend this top leg. And I'm just going to roll you a little bit right there.
Okay.
Good. Flip to the other side. You're going to bend that leg. Perfect. There it was. Lay flat on your back for me. I'm going to bring the hip piece down just a little. Now from here we're going to do some leg pull. So with the leg pull you may feel release in the ankle and the knee going all the way up to that hip.
Okay.
Just relax. You have your leg.
Aw.
Now that I felt in like everywhere release. There we go. Arms out by your side. Now put your hands up and over mine for me.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Okay.
Now I'm going to lean you back onto me. Trust fall on me. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. There we go. You feel how that release up there? Good. So I'm going to have you give yourself a big hug. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. Let me know the difference from after this adjustment compared to what you've had in the past. Okay. Yep, just relax here.
Aw. That felt so good.
Perfect, and just relax. You feel how that just...
I feel like I just grew 2 inches.
Probably did. Come on. Alright, so I'm going to have you turn this camera. Now, how would you describe that Y strap to anybody who's never had that done?
Feels great. I literally do feel like I just grew 2 inches. Like, that was great.